So why am I a witch? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to this channel and you want to find out more about Wicca and witchcraft, or you want to become a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. I am sitting here in beautiful Scarborough, just north of Brisbane, Australia, enjoying our August winter, believe it or not. And I just wanted to, I picked this spot because it is just a beautiful example of one of the reasons why people are drawn to the pagan path in the first place, and that is the connection to nature, of course, and that resonance with nature. So that is reason number one why Wicca stood out to me when I came across it. Being able to connect with nature, to resonate with it, to communicate with it, to listen to it, to become one with it, to be able to feel it in your body, to honor it, to respect it, to be a part of it rather than separate from it. Nature in Wicca is revered as sacred, as is everything is sacred. Everything is spirit, everything is part of that unified spiritual connection. And so even the truck going by is offering something of a spiritual nature, I'm sure. It's quite noisy. It's that sense of connecting with nature and the respect for it, and communicating with birds, communicating with the plants, the water, and listening to the signs of nature, to gain inspiration from nature and to respect it more than anything, because it's been our lack of respect of nature that's causing the ecological problems that we are experiencing around the world at the moment. And we've got all the technology around me, the plane in the sky, the trucks going past, of course, wonderful aspects of modern technology and transport, but also contributing to the destruction of nature at the same time. So, connection to nature is number one. Number two is the freedom and the autonomy to pretty much connect with spirit, to discern for oneself and have the direct experience of what the truth may or may not be for oneself. So even though people have gone before us and give us practices and may say this is what it is, in the craft we have the ability to be able to still find these things out for ourselves by practicing the craft in the first place. There's no dogma, there's no you have to do this, you have to wear this, you can't wear that, you have to eat this, you can't eat that, you have to have sex in a certain way, or you have to do this and you have to do that, or you're not allowed to do things. That doesn't happen in paganism, and a lot of people, particularly of other religions, struggle with that because they don't understand, well, how can you have ethics and values and morals without having some kind of authority telling you what to do? And that's just crap. I mean, I think we're at a stage now of human evolution where we can discern human rights, we can discern equality, we can be compassionate towards each other, and we can treat each other with respect and work as a community and work together and respect each other without having to have some authority telling us what we should and shouldn't be doing in order to appeal to this authority's standards. So it's that freedom to be able to discern for myself what I believe in, how I experience what I believe in, and the mistakes that come with that, and the responsibility that comes with that. Because yes, there is responsibility that comes with autonomy, and there's a huge responsibility that comes with freedom. Freedom does come at a price. It comes at the price of responsibility. It comes at the price of you having to take action yourself. It comes with the responsibility of you having to motivate yourself to practice every day. It comes with the responsibility of you working on yourself and the aspects of self, the shadow work that limit you in your life, that may be causing challenges in your life. There's no one else to blame anything on but ourselves, and that's not easy. it's not easy for people to be able to accept that type of responsibility, that I can't blame some deity or some devil for things that are happening to me. I have to blame myself, and I have to look to myself to make the changes within myself to affect the environment around myself in the way that I want it to be. So there's that freedom, autonomy / responsibility that goes with that. So they're the second reason I put freedom and autonomy pretty much together. And the third reason why I've chosen this path is simply because it feels like home to me. It feels right. It actually feels real to me. And I've never felt that with any other path that I had explored. I grew up Catholic. I was dabbling with Christianity when I was in my teens. I have spent some time with Buddhism, a little bit of time with even Sufism, and all of these experiences of these other religions just brought it home to me that the paganism was just so much more, had so much more freedom, so much more connection. This is all for me. And so much more truth in it for me. So the third reason is simply because in comparison to anything else that I've explored, this just feels right. It feels liberating. It feels like it's real, and it feels like I can actually express myself and who I really am through this tradition. I don't have to lie about who I am. I don't have to pretend to be somebody I'm not. I don't have to pretend to be this thing that you have to be in order to be pious or righteous or any of these things that some of the other religions demand. So it's that freedom to be myself. So there are three reasons why I have chosen the path: connection to nature, and freedom, autonomy, and the self-expression of who I truly am. And of course the connection to nature extends to also the connection with spirit and the whole spiritual ecosystem, respecting spirit, working with spirits, working with deities. It's like you've got a team of conscious beings working with you. So when you're doing magic, you can be working with a team. When you are communing and wanting to do work on your own conscious development, there's a team that can help you with that. It's like you're not alone, you have company. And in the practices of connecting with deity every day, the practices of connecting with nature every day, the practices of connecting with self every day through daily practices, it actually helps you then learn more about yourself and really feel into the craft. So they're the reasons why I've chosen my path as a witch. And if you do resonate with the path as well, and you want to make it a part of your life every day and learn and grow and develop in those ways, in the connection to deities, spirit, in connection to yourself, in connection to nature, then do check out the Mystery Witch School Academy course. It is a 12-month course specially designed for newbie witches and Wiccans. The details to that are in the description field below. So let me know in the comments field what your reasons are for being part of the craft, because I would love to know. And have a wonderful week, and I will see you on the next video. So blessed be everybody.